Hey y'all, this is just a little quick video to show y'all how I got my eyebrows looked at the way they was looking at them on Snapchat. So of course you gonna need you a spoolie, okay, so you can brush them eyebrows down, girl. Then you gonna need you some HD corrector and whatever kind you use, and a little concealer. You gonna also need your beauty blender. And okay, here goes some little ratchet shit I done did. Okay, that used to be primer, but the bitch ran out, and that concealer don't have no brush, so I just poured it in that primer bottle, and I used the brush. You know, little ratchet shit, girl from the permits. You know, trying to make it work. Okay, so that's my little holy grail right there. It's really eyeliner, but a bitch had ran out of eyebrow promenade, so I was like, bitch, I'm gonna try to use this eyeliner and see if that worked. And I did it one time, and a bitch love it. Okay, but first what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your little spoolie, brush them little hairy ass eyebrows out, okay? Because bitch, they be flying away, and you wanna make sure they smooth. Okay, so also if your shit wild, make sure it's trimmed, because your eyebrows not finna look cute if they wild. And make sure you have you some shea butter on deck or some cocoa butter. Keep them bitches moisturized, because baby, we don't do ashy eyebrows over here, okay? All right, so after you brush it down, girl, you gonna take that concealer. We know it's in the wrong bottle, but girl, it's okay. You gotta make it do what it do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna outline your eyebrows. It's really for like the highlight, and then, you know, it guides you when you get ready to fill them in. And girl, some folks like to put a little extra arch in theirs, but girl, I ain't trying to like somebody to scare me, so I like to just keep mine the way they are. They arched enough for me, you feel me? And I just feel like I look the best the way I look, okay? You do you, sir. So if you want a little extra hump, you can put your little extra hump, but you know, a bitch keeping it simple over here, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that shit is still flat. You're gonna brush it down one more again, cause girl, like I said, eyebrows be flying everywhere, okay? All right, so now you finna fill them bitches in with that damn eyeliner. Yes, girl. All right, so you don't want to roll it up too much now. You want to just roll it up just a little bit, cause you ain't trying to have your eyebrows looking too dark, cause this is black eyeliner. You don't want them too dark, so you want to just, you know, use light strokes, like when they tell you in art class, stop being nasty. I said strokes as in like painting and shit, bitch. Stop being nasty. Okay, so what I do is I just lightly go in and fill in. I just take my time. You don't have to rush, okay, girl? And you don't want to be too heavy-handed with it. Be smooth with it, okay? Use a little finesse. And see right here is an example of when you doing too much, because a bitch had fucked up, and so I got me some olive oil on deck. I keep me a little thing of olive oil. Shit comes in handy. It help keep your skin moisturized. It's good for your nails, hair, all that good shit. So I just fix my mistakes with that right there if I fuck up a little bit. But you don't gotta stress too much about it, because we're gonna clean it up at the end too. So yes, I'm a little perfectionist, so I had to go clean it up right then and there. But you do you, sir. But so yeah, I'm just filling it in or whatever, you know, trying to make sure I got it all nice and neat. You don't want it too dark now, so you know, like I said, be light and gentle with it. Use that little finesse. Use the flick of the wrist, okay? And yeah, you just gonna fill it in, girl. Fill it in, fill it in, fill it in, fill it in. Yes. I don't know why it took me so long to do this. Bitch, what was I doing? This shit did not take that long. Okay? Okay. So, it don't look too much right now, but wait till the bitch finish, okay? So, you're gonna go and take that beauty blender, blend out that concealer, okay? Bitch, just do what it do, but be careful, because the eyeliner has not dried yet, okay? So you want to make sure you taking the tip of the beauty blender, the very, very tip. Pause. Stop being nasty. I said that now. Stop being nasty. You're gonna take it and you're gonna like just blend it out or whatever, and, you know, make sure it's all nice and neat, girl. That's right. Yes, yes, yes. Now, I know I look a little ashy right there right now, but bitch, we finna get that together. Don't worry about it. Because I know people be like, girl, you ain't got on no makeup. I don't have on no makeup. And this is like my go-to look, though. For like, I just do my eyebrows, put on my lashes, and give me a little lip gloss. And bitch, be looking like I got on a full face of makeup. And it ain't shit. Okay? We doing the bare minimum all 2019. Okay? I'm talking about when it comes to like trying to be extra and shit. Nah. Get your life together, sir. Don't be doing the bare minimum in life, okay? Sis need to get your life together. Okay? But anywho, girl. Yes, go and blend that out, good. Blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. Okay? You ain't gotta do too much. Just make sure it's blended out enough. Okay? Now we're gonna take our HD corrector. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just fill in all the little white spots and shit that look a little crusty. Cause see, bitch, my skin complexion is not like every other skin complexion. Like I'm not dark skin and I'm not light skin. So and I'm not that like perfect brown skin. So it's hard for me to find shit that work. So I gotta mix some shit together, okay? So what I do, I take this corrector and girl, it be having a bitch looking like I ain't put on shit, okay? Yeah, so I'm just blending it all out. I'm blending it out with the opposite end this time because, girl, we trying to get the white off, not add extra, okay? We don't want to look like a ghost out here, okay? Looking ashy and shit. You gotta keep it clean. Keep it nice and clean, nice and neat. This is a no makeup look. Now this is a real no makeup look. Cause bitches be talking about no makeup, and then they be putting on fucking contour and shit like that. I'm like, girl, that's makeup. But girl, yes, that's the finished look. So thanks for watching.